Looking at an example here for using the quadratic formula, I had asked you to try the second equation here on your own, solving for x, and I showed the answer. So I'm going to show how to use the formula to get that answer again. Here we have our equation, and I've also written the quadratic formula in the top right-hand corner there. Again, those are not sixes in the top right-hand corner. That's a b. My b's, my sixes tend to look a little bit alike. So this is a 6. These are b's, b, b, a, and c. So using the quadratic formula, remember we've got our different coefficients here, a, b, and c, are different coefficients. So we're going to use those positions to help us fill this in. And this should say equals x, I guess. So it's the opposite of b. So this is a negative 11 or a minus 11. So the opposite of that would be a positive 11, plus or minus the square root of b squared. So negative 11 squared. I will comment that negative 11 squared and 11 squared, same thing. It does work out to be the same. Minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is 6. All over 2 times a. So I filled in the blanks is what I've really done there. And I'm going to do this in a couple different parts. I'm going to do what's called the discriminant first. The discriminant is what's underneath the square root there. So I'm going to use my calculator. Let's see if I can't get that to a position where you can see it. There we go. I'm going to go negative 11 squared minus 4 times 2 times 6, 73. So that means I've got 11 plus or minus the square root of 73, all divided by 4. I should check to see if I can reduce it. I know because I showed the answer that I can't, but I'll check it. So 73, I'm going to see if I can't make a factor tree for that. Can't divide it by 2 because it's not even. I can't divide it by 5 because it doesn't end in a 5 or a 0. I can't divide it by 10 because it doesn't end in a 0. I can't divide it by 3. There is a trick for that. If you add 7 and 3 together, you get 10. And you can't do 10 divided by 3. So I can't do 73 divided by 3. Can't divide it by 9 for the same reason. 7 plus 3 is 10. Can't do 10 divided by 9. I think I'm stuck. There's not anything I can divide that by. So it's prime. If you don't happen to know your primes, like I wasn't guaranteed that 73 was a prime, then that's it. I can't factor out anything that I can divide by 4. So there's my solution. 11 plus or minus the square root of 73 over 4. That's how you use the quadratic formula.